Mayon Volcano, a symbol of beauty and power, holds a story that has captivated generations. This is the legend of Daragang Magayon, a maiden whose love and sacrifice birthed a volcano that would forever stand as a testament to her tragic fate.
Our love is forbidden, Panganuron. My father would never allow this.
Our hearts are bound, Magayon. No law can separate us.
But what if it brings war to our people?
I will fight for you, even against my own tribe.
Magayon! You cannot be alone with a stranger!
Father, he is not a stranger! He is Panganuron, the warrior who saved me from the enemy.
He is from the Tagalog tribe, our enemies. This love is for
Tortuga, a wealthy native of the Bicol tribe, had long desired Daragang Magayon's hand. He was consumed by jealousy and greed, unable to accept that she would choose another.
Oh, Magayon, you're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Marry me, and I will shower you with riches beyond your wildest dreams.
I cannot pagtoga. My heart belongs to another.
You will regret this, Magayon. I will have you, even if it means destroying everything. Give me your daughter's hand, and I will spare your life.
You may take my life, but you will never own my daughter's hand.
Father, let go of my father!
Marry me, Magayon, and I will spare your father's life.
Panganuron vowed to rescue her by accepting a duel that Pictuga offered with the hand
Father,
of Magayon.
stay with me. We will get out of this.
There's no use. You need to get out of here.
But Father...
Go after Panganuron. He needs you.
It's finally over.
Magayon, my love.
As Daragang Magayon breathed her last, a giant tremor shook the earth and a towering cone of fire erupted from the ground.
Hoy, wala kong istorya?
Oh, makarag-signal, oy!
Panganuron! You cannot be alone with a stranger!
Manang Panganuron?
My daughter, you cannot be alone with a stranger.
Panganuron, anana ka.
Mo man si Panganuron. Ay, pag...
No!
Tinukluran din.
Ano ba?